All right, what's up, guys? How are y'all doing? We're gonna do a trade recap, and I'm gonna show y'all this trade I took this morning. We took longs, slingshot to the value low. This is super simple, guys. I mean, this is what I've shown y'all over and over again now at this point, and it's so simple. I honestly can't even believe that being profitable is this simple. Like, people overcomplicate it, and it just goes to show you a strategy is not what makes you profitable. It's you as a trader, your habits, your emotions, your psychology, your discipline. That's what makes you profitable. I'm going to show y'all literally two opportunities now at this point. It's only 10:30 or 11:30 New York time right now. So starting off on the higher time frames here, I mean, this just goes to show you guys, like, no matter what your bias is, it doesn't matter. So when you're trading this system, these levels, the value areas specifically, how price responds to those areas and to those levels, that is your bias, right? You can go in, each morning and just based on the trend here, if we take away this candle and just look at this, we're inside this 4-hour fair value gap. We're in a downtrend, so maybe you're bearish going into this morning. We're kind of in a weird spot right now, so there's really none of that really matters unless it's super obvious. Going into each day, these levels are my bias. All I'm waiting for is, for example, this morning. If we're on the 5-minute here, it's what I trade. I only use the 5-minute for those of you that are asking. The 5-minute is literally all I look at as far as the footprints go. Taking my trades, exiting my trades, everything is on the 5-minute. Are there other ways to do this? Absolutely. But you're asking me what I do. I use the 5-minute. That's it. That's all I use. So at this point here, I'm just waiting. We could definitely sell off and not even hit this value low, or my system, my edge is I'm going to wait for this level, right? 5,635.75. That's our value low. Remember, guys, this is your volume profile. That's the current New York session. We used yesterday's session to find our levels. So if we scroll way over here, this is yesterday's volume profile, and our value low is right here. So value low, point of control, value high. Those are our levels. And then we come back over here, and at this point, I'm just waiting. So at this value low, we could hit this level and it be a retest to go lower. We could hit this level and blow through it, and that tells me we want to go higher for the day. I don't know why these levels work how they do. It all has to do with auction market theory. And I don't care, to be honest with you. Like, I've seen this enough to trust it. These levels work. We trade level to level. In a situation like this, I mean, guys, look at this. We're at the value low. All right, I'm waiting. I don't care what we do at this level. I'm just waiting for the confirmation for what's going to happen. And then I'm going to get in on that. So in this example, we slingshotted through the value low. If we go to our Sierra chart, I got it right here, 935 candle. That's the candle that we slingshotted through. It's a 2,500 delta. What have I been saying, guys? Anything over 1,000 is what I consider a slingshot. That's a 2,500 delta through that value low. You're long. Right there, you're going long. And you're targeting either, a set points system that you have, whether, you're looking for 10 points, 15 points, whatever it may be. Or what you can do and what you should work on doing is targeting the next level, because we almost always trade to that next level, which is exactly what I did. So we go back here, we were slingshot through value low. Our next level is the point of control at 5,675. All right, that's literally 40 points away. So I ended up getting 30 points out of this trade. I got in somewhere around here. I wasn't able to get in right at the level because you're waiting for that slingshot, right? So got in up here somewhere, and then I got out right at the point of control. I ended up holding this trade. I mean, it was a pretty long trade, but held it to the level. I trust the system. I trust that this works and this repeats, and I got 30 points out of it, which is really good for the S&P. And now look at what we're doing here. I'm not trading this. He already took a really good trade this morning. There's no point to sit here and trade over and over again. The more you're in the market, the more risk you're exposing yourself to. So, and to be honest with you, I wasn't even on the charts when this happened. I just got back on to record this video. So right here, this is the 11:20 a.m. candle. If we go over here, we'll see we slingshotted through the value high. All right, this is the 1120 candle, 1,906 positive delta through that value high. So in this example here, whenever the levels are super close together like this, I want to go ahead and see a slingshot through both levels to confirm my trade for whatever direction that is. This happens sometimes. So in that case, go ahead and wait for both levels to get that slingshot and then enter your trade there. So far, I mean, we already have from this level to where price is gone. It's gone up 20 points off the level. So you also have that. But yeah, guys, we're up like 90 something points this week. It's only Wednesday and it's literally just trading this strategy. I mean, I've given it to you guys on a silver platter. And you're either going to do it or you're not. I'm not saying this is the only way to be profitable, but if you're not profitable yet and you're watching this video, trust me and just try this. I don't have to be making these videos. I don't have to be doing any of this. Like, I genuinely feel like I've found something that can help so many of you guys if y'all will just trust it. And I feel like it's something I have to do. Like, God, he kind of showed me this stuff, and I feel like I have to show you guys now. So just trust it. And it's hard. Like, when I first started trading this strategy, coming from an ICT background where overcomplicating everything is the name of the game, I was like, this is BS. There's no way this is even real. And I started out just trading like risk 5 points to make 5 points. I didn't trust it. I didn't think it could be this simple. And over time, I developed more and more trust in what I was seeing, just because I was seeing it like every single day almost. And from there, I've gotten to the point now where I can hold some of these bigger trades. Don't go into the trading day so stuck on a bias. Use these levels as your bias. If we hit this value low and we slingshot to the downside off of it, I'm short for the day. Like, that's a short confirmation and I'm getting in shorts. It works literally every time. If we slingshot through it, how we did today, all right, I'm long targeting this point of control. That is literally my strategy. That's all I do. And there may be 1 or 2 days out of the week where we're not in these levels. Who cares? Because when we are, look at what happens. You don't have to take trades every day. There's ways to be able to trade outside the levels, but why would you, honestly? So that's it for this one, guys. Hope it helped you guys out. I'm not going to be able to post as many videos over the summer, so I'm trying to get as many videos out now as possible to help you guys, and I want you guys to have what y'all need to succeed. So I'll see y'all next time.